Traders, July 30th, 2018. I'm going to report on ticker symbol BIOAQ. You can follow me on Twitter at Trading Teacher or visit the site, deteriorated.com. BioAmber, what happened here today, they had to liquidate their assets. They didn't get us buyer, and as you can see, it opened up a lot lower. And this is what I mean by trading language disruption. Okay? Now let me explain you exactly what I'm trying to state in this particular stock, so then you guys have a good indication why I mean you should always take something off the table, and this is the perfect example. As you see, it was at 7.5 cents, and hey, listen, Friday I reported on BioAmber and said, hey, it looks good. The trading language, what I'm reading, looked good as a buy as far as technical indicator. Even on the news, on the fundamental standpoint, everything looked like a buy. Oh, they have a buyer. They don't have to liquidate. Guess what happened? Liquidation Monday morning opened up 90% lower. Okay, from 7.5 cents to like, what was it, under a penny. I believe the low was a half a penny, or I'm not sure exactly, but it was pretty low. It was almost half a penny, and it traded up. Now it's about a little over a penny and a half, but it dropped about 90% based on that news. And this is what I mean. The language of trading gets disrupted. Perfect example. You have a lot of things going your way, fundamental-wise, news-wise, even technical indicators, technical patterns. They all look good for BioAmber. And what happens? Oh, sorry guys, no buyers. We're liquidating. And it just hurt a bunch of people. And this is a perfect example why I say you need to take profits. Okay? You need to take profits. Penny stocks, you can't run for the moon. Don't think you're going to get the moon with this. It doesn't happen. It rarely doesn't happen. I mean, it does happen, but like for every 1,000 stocks, maybe 2, 3 that that's pink sheets that's trading in the penny ranges. It doesn't happen too often. Okay, and this is a perfect example, and it looks terrible. As far as overnight positions, whoever's in this, I guess don't have any choice at this moment. It just looks disgusting, and it's just terrible. I can't even say enough. It became bearish once again after 2 o'clock. Traders in my BIOAQ chat group on Twitter is pretty much scalped her today a few times on the long side. But I wouldn't hold this position overnight moving forward unless I was in at a much higher price. Like somewhere along the last week or so, or past longer than that. But if you're in this position today or at the open, don't look to hold this position overnight. This would be something as well. Today was a great trade as far as still at the open, as far as on the buy side. But it does look bearish over here moving in to tomorrow morning. If you do long this tomorrow, try not to hold it overnight. It doesn't look too healthy. Any individuals that's in this position, sorry to you guys. It's unfortunate. No buyer there. Harm you guys. They're liquidating, and it's hurting the shareholders. And there's nothing good to say about what this company has done. It's mind-boggling. Maybe they never even had a buyer, and they just spread rumors to get this get this liquidation process. But once again, we really don't know, right? And this is why I say never hold penny stocks for the long term. Trade them, you make money, profit them. If you plan to hold them for the long term, sell at least 50 to 75% of your assets. Have free shares for the rest of the way. If it does go in your favor, you played with the house's money and not your own. Good luck to all you guys. I don't think I'll be reporting on BioAmber moving forward, just because moving forward looks like a dud. Best wishes to all you guys. Remember, follow me on Twitter at Trading Teacher. Visit the site www.thetradingteacher.com.